Flames engulfed a skyscraper in one of Hong Kong's major shopping districts on March 2. The building in Tsim Sha Tsui was still under construction. No injuries related to the fire were immediately reported. The blaze burned the building scaffolding, while sparks ignited objects nearby. Team of firefighters battled to contain the blaze throughout the night. 3 neighboring building complexes also caught fire but were quickly extinguished. Nearby residents were advised to shut their doors and windows. Hong Kong has been hit with a string of major fires in urban areas in recent months. The cause of the most recent fire was not immediately known. The site is a redevelopment of the former Mariners Club, which opened in 1976.